Well, Steve, here we are again in the polytunnel,
Yes, yeah.
and
nice
we're
day.
having a good look at the various peppers, sweet and chili peppers that we've been
Yes.
growing.
Yes,
So
you're a
what's this
pepper
one?
fan, aren't you?
I'm a
Well, this is
pepper
a
fan.
new one, isn't it? I think it's Hopti Pepper Spicy Jane. Yes, so this is a grafted plant from Sutton's, and we'll show you a little later. There's a mark where you can see the two, where the top's been grafted onto the bottom there, with the idea that it grows quicker, gives you bigger crops.
Well, it certainly looks like it
popular.
because it's pretty prolific.
It is, isn't it?
Quite big chili peppers,
Yeah. It seemed to start off more as sort of a round pepper and then
elongate a bit.
starts to get a bit longer as
Yeah.
it goes through. And you can plant it in a basket, I think. can't
Yeah, you
Just
can
let
have it as a hanging
let it trail,
basket,
which
yeah.
would be a great idea, actually. Yeah.
And they start off sort of lime green and eventually they turn bright red.
You're never gonna
Shall we,
try.
Steve?
Are you going to try?
I'll try it, yeah, okay.
Oh,
I'll just
give it
take
a
the
go
end
first.
first.
I'll give it a go. If you've done it, I've got to, haven't I, really?
Oh, hang on.
Oh, is it?
If you, no, if you don't take the end without the seeds in first,
Aha.
because that's quite sweet actually, that's fine. But when you go deeper into it and get the seeds and the embryo,
Oh,
that's a bit of a punch.
yeah. Yeah.
Not too bad
But
actually.
without the seeds. Yeah, so a good one for you.
Oh, right.
I'm going to leave it there.
Get to the end of it, it starts to hit.
Yeah.
But
A good
lovely,
one for
then.
your stir fries and your
Yeah. And
soups
of course
and
you
stews and
have too many, you can freeze them. They're lovely.
yeah. Well, you only really need one plant, wouldn't you?
You know, you do, don't you? Look at that. Prolific that is.
Yeah. Oh, really good.
So, Spicy Jane,
Yeah.
one you'd certainly
Be
recommend.
growing that one again.